They moved by the end.
Very lazy.
Well done. That guy was
What
fun.
do you say?
I'll tell you later. Hiya guys, welcome back to Clearview Driving. My name is Aman and today it is the day of Saima's driving test. How are you feeling?
This time not nervous.
Okay.
Confident because I know where I did mistake.
Yeah.
And now I'm confident.
Now we've had a good drive yesterday. Today we've had little blips here and there, but you know how to control it. Mostly just kind of meeting situations and clutch control, really. Nothing besides that. So I'm not concerned because we've talked about how to fix this. So that's all good.
Yes.
I think it's just because there's just so much traffic this morning. That's the issue.
Yes.
But it's all calming down now, which is nice. Hey guys, I want to introduce you all to NordVPN. Now, if you don't know what a VPN is, it's basically a virtual private network. It encrypts your location and the data you send and receive. So if you're not using a VPN, your private information could be stolen and you could easily get hacked. Now, if you're anything like me and you're not very tech savvy, don't worry. NordVPN is very quick and easy to use. You simply sign up, you download the app, select the location on the map, and you're in, and then you continue browsing as normal, and you can use it on up to 6 devices on the account. With NordVPN, you can unlock movies, series and sports on your favorite streaming services that may not be available in your country. And I know I said I'm not very tech savvy, but I do like my socials, and soon I'm going to be traveling to India where TikTok is not available. Now that does make me very sad, but this will not be a concern for me because I can simply use NordVPN. So for NordVPN's 11th birthday, go to nordvpn.com/Clearview Driving to get a 2-year plan with an exclusive deal, and you get a bonus month free and you get a bonus gift. And it's all risk-free with NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee. So I'm going to leave the link in the description, guys. Be sure to check it out. It's nordvpn.com/Clearview Driving. Okay, so we're just going to go for a little drive and then we're going to make our way to the test centre so you guys can follow along.
Yeah.
Okay, Saima, when you're ready. Okay. They moved by the end.
Very lazy.
That was a good position and you're looking right the way into the road. Well done. Well done. That guy was
What
fun.
do you say?
I'll tell you later. Did you see it?
Yes.
You were swearing at the other car because they kept reversing when you were moving through. They should have waited for you. But you dealt with that really nicely. You see how that tight clutch control made it so much easier.
Yes.
Really well done with that. Because you can see it's just messy up there.
No, here and there.
Yeah. You always forget that speed bump, you know. At the end turn, right? I would have stopped a little bit further back.
More?
Yeah. Because look, because it's quite a large vehicle, you can't see. Yeah?
Yes.
Turn left, please. And if you could pull in and park up on the left, please. What happened there?
That's one hill.
Thank you, yeah. It's okay, secure the car. I'll switch off the engine.
Okay.
Okay, so how was your drive now?
Good.
Yeah, you dealt with those really nicely. I'm really happy with that.
Because you're...
Because I had to sit there in silence. I was like, let me see how she deals with this. But you dealt with that really tight space between the cars nicely. And you could see he easily got through.
Yes. And I'll check door.
She's looking right the way in the distance, which is good. It's really good. But yeah, you got to look far and then look closer and then kind of deal with what's here. Yeah?
Yes. All is good, but nothing happened in test.
Okay.
Hopefully.
All right, guys. We're going to end it there and you guys can see the result in a few minutes.
Yes.
Yeah? Give you a little break.
Yes.
Okay, we ready?
Yes.
Do you want to grab the license? It is in here.
Yes.
Here you go.
Yes, go.
All right, guys. We're going to make our way inside.
Oh, chalo.
Phone's on silent?
Silent here.
Okay. Hiya guys, Saima's just come back in from her test and unfortunately she did not pass her driving test today. It was a really good drive, but she made one mistake which actually went down as a dangerous mistake. But even the examiner was explaining the fault. It was simply rolling back on a slope. So you were at a junction, right?
Yes.
And you're coming out of the junction.
Yes.
As you tried to move forward, the car's rolled back a little bit.
Yes, little bit.
And then you applied the brake.
Yeah, I put brake and I tried to again.
Yeah. And then it rolled back a little bit.
And all of a sudden he pushed the brake.
Yeah. So the examiner waited for her to react, but she rolled back a little and then she braked again. And then as she tried to move off, she wasn't lifting the clutch high enough, rolled back again. And then the third time the examiners had to now apply the brake, purely because somebody was behind and we're just getting closer and closer. And the examiners actually explained that although it's gone down as a dangerous mistake, it's not a dangerous mistake where she can't drive. It's just, it's just a bit of a silly one.
Yes.
But how was the drive outside
But
of
drive
that?
was very clean, very clean.
Because I know even he complimented it.
Yeah.
He goes, "You're doing lots of things really well, like on the roundabouts and
Yeah,
stuff."
very nice. He did 3 roundabout, all major roundabout, 4 exit, 3rd exit,
Yeah.
and 2nd exit. I done very well, signal, mirror, but
And how was your maneuver?
maneuver, I go, it's a forward bay parking in a one go. I
Yeah.
did very well. He said, well, I see you yesterday to practice. I say, you recognize me? He said, yes, but it's very good. And his man very nice, very
Yeah.
nice.
But it's just a shame about the fault, because even the way the examiner was explaining
But
it.
he explained, I drive very well.
Yeah.
He all the way. And also, I feel much more polish after.
Yeah, because although yes, it's another test result that we didn't look for this result.
So keep
and
learning.
Exactly. So the
Yeah.
way we have to look at this is, you are becoming a better driver. Yes, you made that fault. It's okay. It happens. It's better that you learn from it now, like this, rather than going out and driving on your own.
Yes.
But we're nearly there, guys. We were hoping that Saima would have it in the bag today, but it's just little bit. But we've got to look at this in a positive light.
Yeah.
It was a very good
Because
drive.
I drive.
Yeah.
Now I drive. I think-
Even like when we're doing our lessons and just driving towards the test centre just from home,
Yeah.
you're so much more confident. I don't even have to say anything. You're kind of
Yeah.
breezing through these roads.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Thank you.
That's okay.
Yeah. I drink water in middle of test.
Oh, you did?
Yes, because I feel very nervous, but it's okay.
Oh yeah, were you
We'll
nervous
try.
at the beginning, or were you kind of just...
No, in middle. Because I
Well,
thought I passed.
Yeah, so when Saima came back in, she wasn't sure of what the result was, but she knew she didn't make any serious faults.
I know I didn't mistake any serious, but he considered that.
Yeah, it's just
He
purely
did-
because of the rolling back.
oh.
Had she controlled it quicker or just
He
moved
did
forward.
also stop. Emergency stop. He
Oh,
did
yeah.
very well. I will not say again.
Lots of really good things,
Yeah.
Yeah, so right at the end, you were basically expecting him to say you've passed.
Yes.
So when he said, no, you haven't, you were quite confused as to what's happened because you
Yeah,
knew you
because
didn't make a
I
mistake.
confused.
So yeah, it's just a bit of a silly mistake.
Yes.
Oh, nearly had it today, but it's okay because this does make you a better driver, more aware of what you're doing, and for next time, you're going to be that much better.
Oh,
Yeah?
for sure. Okay.
Alright, thank you guys.
Thank
That
you.
is the
Keep
end of the
watching.
video.
I read all comments. Thank you for all of you
Yeah.
for supporting me.
So yeah, don't
Okay,
worry about the
thank you.
result today. I know it's not the result we wanted, but
Yes.
we'll get it.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you guys.